Hello everybody, here's a view from the walkway on the Bailey Bridge to the roof of the southbound tunnel from London. It's the clearest view I've got. I did say in previous videos it's been about 3 feet beneath my feet. I would say it's probably nearer 8 or 10. You can clearly see on the section the lugs, the places of attachment for the strop of Roger. So it's good to get that view. The blue cherry picker has for some reason driven up to just here. When I filmed this on Sunday, it was the 16th I think, 5 days ago, the tunnel was still as far as underneath the Bailey Bridge. We can see here, exciting news, the southbound bit of the London tunnel is now outside the Bailey Bridge, and in fact so is the northbound part of the London tunnel, which is just on the left of it. These tunnels actually look pretty big close up, and I'm quite impressed. So I haven't got a very good head for heights, I'm afraid, so I won't be leaning over the railing here. There's no protection, no signs saying deep excavations or anything like that. Just a rather shaky Bailey Bridge every time a vehicle goes by. And Roger is moving! Isn't this exciting? Look at the number of wheels. There are 8 wheels along one side here. They're double wheels and they're on each side. So there are 32 wheels. And Roger is not only moving, but it's moving a section. It's moving a section towards the tunnel. This can only mean one thing, folks, that it's about to help install a section which is probably in the order of 35-40 tons. I can't look that up because I'm filming. And this is the first time I've actually managed to get a film of Roger actually moving. Interestingly, at the top of Roger you can see 2 owls, one in each corner. These are apparently to frighten off bird life. It seems to be working because there's no bird life around. As I retreat, this enormous machine, I can't see who's actually driving it. You'd think there'd be a cab on the front, but obviously someone is driving it, and it's moving inexorably, inch by inch, towards the tunnel. I'm reminded of NASA moving a Saturn V or whatever it is to the launch pad, which would go very, very slowly and about less than 1 mile an hour, very similar to the speed of Roger. Interesting that the orange-suited chaps seem entirely uninterested in this development, and also interesting that that Roger can steer simply by turning his wheels to the left or right, which is quite an achievement. You can see a close-up there of the owls. Let's have a look at one here. There it is. And that does discourage birds. I don't know why we should want to do that, but birds, they could mess things up if they get in the way, I suppose. Anyway, this is a truly wonderful and novel experience to see Roger doing his stuff. And as he gets nearer, he seems to get bigger. As they used to say on Father Ted, and here is the controller of Roger. It's an orange-suited chap, surprise, surprise, in a white helmet. So he's not a first aider. Somebody gave me some tips on what the hats meant, and I think she said it might be that green hats might be first aiders. But that has yet to be decided. So Roger is getting really close and I'm going to get a bit closer as well to film it. Thanks a lot for watching. Cheers.